Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how to cancel your Rocket Money plan. If you are trying to cancel your Rocket Money plan and don't know where to start, don't worry, in this video I will show you exactly how to cancel your plan. First, open the Rocket Money app on your iPhone. Once you are on home screen, look at the menu icon or profile icon, usually in the top right corner. Tap that, then tap settings. Now scroll down until you see something that says membership, premium or plan. Tap on it. This is where Rocket Money shows your current plan and billing details. Next, look for the option that says cancel plan, cancel membership or manage subscription. Tap that, open and follow the steps on the screen. Rocket Money may ask you to confirm. If you sign up for Rocket Money through the App Store, the app may send you to your iPhone subscription setting instead. If that happens, here what to do. Open the iPhone setting, tap on your Apple ID, then tap subscription, find Rocket Money, tap it and tap cancel subscription. After cancellation, your plan will usually stay active until the end of your billing period. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.